Let's make authentic crowd pleasing Nigeria smoking party jollof. So what we did first is we parboiled our rice and we washed the rice till it's completely clean. Now we are just transferring it to this pot. Then we'll be adding our stew base just the way you are seeing now. Actually, we washed the rice we washed was 20 kg of rice. So we did not cook everything at once. We shared it into two. So this is the first pot that we are cooking, and now we just finished adding our stew base. We are trying to mix everything together for everything to incorporate very well. You know, this winter period, maggi is very difficult to break, so we melted it with hot water, and these are some salt, curry powder, and these are meat stock that we'll be using to cook the rice. So we just mix everything and we transferred it to the stove, and now we are adding bay leaf to the rice. Now we will stir everything together and cover it for it to cook. So while it's cooking, we stir it continuously, like not like every time. We stir it continuously to avoid a situation whereby some side will be cooking and some side is not cooking. So we just stirred it for everything to cook very well together. I'm sorry the video is like this. I have not have opportunity to film whenever we are making this kind of bulk cooking. So this day I just tried to I just tried to make this video. So now the rice is almost cooked and we added margarine to it, just the way you are. So just the way you are saying now, the rice is not properly cooked now. We still cover the rice. You know you are still seeing white rices, right? So we cover it for those white rices for everything to cook properly. So we still cover it for it to cook. So we just added some sliced onions to it. We give everything a good mix and we allow it to simmer on a very low heat. So this is everything we did for the first pot. This is the first pot of rice, and this is the second pot of rice. You can see we just transferred it to the stove. I did not have opportunity to just film the whole process, but at least these little clips I know it will still help one or two persons. So this is the second pot. Now we are adding margarine, and we will give everything a good mix for it to cook properly. At this point our rice was already, so we just transferred it to this big bowl and we put it in takeaway that we'll be using to serve. So the takeaway we got was about 50 and 50 plus 50 plus takeaway, and we were still having another one that we left at home. So that is it for this video. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye.